Well, that was an exciting weekend for you, it sounded like.
Yes, sir. Ooh, it was very, very exciting. Oh my God.
So you had 30, what'd you say, 33, 30 that attended?
We have people who checked in, registered. Attendees, we have probably about 43, 45 people.
Nice.
Okay. Of course, we have probably like 98 something people registered. And, we kind of like maybe like 40% show up and exactly what the 40%. So we need to work on, do it faster. And I show you on Sam that, sometimes we got people who check in with the Google form, and we have people registered in Eventbrite, and we have people already on the system already. So we need to work on that, but it was good. So now is we created 17 appointments.
That's amazing.
17
Congratulations.
appointments. We right now we have people coming all week, different times. We got people lined up for the weekend, Saturday. We got one people on Sunday. We got some more people coming on next week. So which is good. It was good.
Well, keep me informed if you don't mind. I want to follow this up and
Yes.
almost turn this into a maybe a paper, white study or whatever they call it, to kind of go through and just formulate this and show how you did it and what kind of results that you got, because it sounds like you did amazing. Your team looked great from the photos that I saw on Facebook. So I just wanted to give you a big congratulations, because that's that's a big thing. Bringing in 17 appointments from one event, not bad.
I know, that's good. We got Calendly. It was just crazy that they and now we have 70 people that they didn't show up. So now we need to follow up with them and invite them to the event. So that's where this week it was just so crazy. I didn't want to bother you.
Well,
I know I call you every 5 minutes for everything.
Well, that's for you guys as early adopters, there's things that we know that we need to help you with and stuff like that. And we want to be a kind of a strategic partner with you in a way. So,
Yes.
all of you guys, even the crew out at Atlanta, appreciate you guys. So, definitely whatever we can do to help in what you're doing, just kind of let us know. Of course, we've got a lot of things going on, but certainly give you everything I've got to be able to make you successful. So I appreciate that.